how to generate $5,000 per month with prop firms in 2024. We're gonna dive in this step-by-step guide in this video, how to generate $60,000 per year, $5,000 per month with FTMO or FXFI for US residents. That's something definitely possible to reach by the end of the year. If you're interested, that's the video you should look at. We're gonna look at the step-by-step guide with a spreadsheet detailing every steps, how to do this, how you can potentially get those $5,000 per month with the prop firm industry. First, I wanted to show you the results, which are the payouts, $8,000, 700. Here you can see on this one, this is about $5,600 on this payout from July 2024. Here we have about $3,400. This is something you be able to get on a recurrent basis with prop firms, with our strategy. Let's directly dive in our strategy. But before that, as you might have seen, I was showing my Upwork profile. You might know me. I'm Roman Quider from Upwork. If you don't know me, you can find me on Upwork, typing prop firm trader, looking for top rated plus. You'll see I'm on the first line. You'll be able to check yourself. I've made more than $40,000 total earnings on the platform with about 24 total jobs. So I'll not be explicit about all the details. You'll be able to check on your side, but you might be able already to see here. I have several 5 stars reviews, 100% job success score. I didn't mention, but that's quite important. I'm from France and studied in Paris and London in a management and economics bachelor. That's mostly about what you can see on my Upwork profile here, the payout we've seen at first. And basically, we are running those services through XO Capital, a trading services specialized in proprietary firms company that I founded in November 2021. So you can check on our website. If you go at the bottom of our website, you'll be able to click on that link that redirects you to an official Hong Kong link. The company has been incorporated and registered in Hong Kong, as you can see here. As you can read, you'll be able to see the company number, the date of incorporation, and since when we've been operating. So 2 years, 8 months at the dates I'm recording this video. That's about XO Capital. On your side, working with us will enable you $5,000 per month. So let's look at how, and first with whom, what kind of company we will be working with to do this. You might be familiar with FTMO. That's a well-known company in the game since 2015. As you can read here, they basically offer us up to $400,000 in capital, getting up to 90% of the simulated profits there. And you'll be able to check their Trustpilot. They have the best trust score in the industry with a 4.8 out of 5 star rating with more than 12,000 reviews. Basically done more than 200 to 300 million in payouts already. This company is very legit and by far the #1 in this prop firm industry. For US clients, we can work with FXFI because FTMO does not accept US clients first. But let me precise something. What we offer is basically for US clients to work still with FTMO through us. That's something that we can offer. We'll basically build a little scheme for you to have a third party in between in order to have your FTMO account you'll be able to access, but it'll not be directly through you, it will be through us. So technically you'll receive the payouts, but that will be through XO Capital. So FTMO is still accessible for US clients in a sense, thanks to our solution. I've mentioned FXFI. Now we can check the spreadsheet detailing how we can get those $5,000 per month. So we're gonna look at a 100K account first. You can see here, this is $100,000 account size, and the challenge cost is $600 for a FTMO challenge. We will be receiving about 80% of the simulated profits generated on the accounts. And we have an investment of $2,600 to start this process, which represents the cost of the challenge and the cost of hedging for phase one, phase two, and funded one. So let me explain about hedging. What does it mean? You might already be familiar with hedging, which is a pretty simple concept, which is having two accounts, account A and account B, and we'll open on account B the counter position of account A. So let's say we buy oil on account A, we'll sell oil on account B, vice versa. If we buy gold on account A, we'll sell gold on account B. Doing this, we protect ourselves with an hedge, like we say, so you can understand if we make some profits on one side, we'll make some losses on the other, and vice versa. The power of this is that we can use the prop firms and hedge our strategy, but still make some profits on both case scenarios. So let's go back to the spreadsheets. Now that I explained a bit about the hedging, you understand the two scenarios. Basically, account A, let's say it's the prop firm, and account B, it will be a broker account that we will be hosting, that will act here as the counterparty of the prop firm account. So if prop account fails, that's the first scenario, and if prop account wins, that's the second case scenario. We're going to look at this, but first you can see the expected annual net return for you will be about $20,000 per year for 100K account. And if we check a 200K account, that's about $40,000 per year. So if you add up 40,000 plus 20,000, that leads you to the $60,000 per year, which is the $5,000 per month that I've mentioned at the beginning of the video and in the title. So how do we do this? You might know we need here, you can see on line 8, we need a 10% profits on phase one of FTMO challenge to complete the phase one and pass to phase two, which is on phase two, 5%. So we will be targeting those 10,000 on phase one, 5,000 on phase two. And if we complete the 10% and 5%, we will lose our collateral because we may, if you remember my example with the two accounts, if we make some profits here, we will lose on the other side. So that's scenario two. If prop account wins, we make some losses on broker account, as you can read here on column M, with $960 loss on phase one and about $1,000 on phase two, which is those amounts that you'll have to invest basically to start the process, representing the investment amount here. Once we pass the challenge, we are funded, and that's when it becomes profitable. You can see the first payouts will be reinvested in next hedging costs. First, you receive a few dozen of dollars. The point is receiving the challenge refund, and we reinvest those amounts. And at funded 3, so about 6 weeks after we started, in base case scenario, you start to make profits in both cases, about $1,000. And each 2 weeks after this point, you receive payouts. So you can see the quarterly return is about $6,100, but you're receiving payouts every 2 to 3 weeks at these stages when we are at funded 3 and the stages afterwards. On funded 6, we continue the process, basically starting back at funded 3 here. So funded 6 will be funded 3 bis, and we continue until we fail and we need to start back, if I can say. You can see here it's detailed in the net result that we are discounting $1,000 4 times for funded 6. And this is basically 4 times the net profit for investor that you've seen here. So we can do this about 4 times per year on average, but the payouts can be every 2 to 3 weeks. Let's say on a monthly basis. In our example, $5,000 per month would represent 100K and one 200K account. So if you divide this by 12, you get 1,700. And if you take the return on a 200K, so that's the same example, that's you divide it by 2, you get 3,400 from the 200K and 1,700 from the 100K, which leads you to 5,100 in that example. If we do this plus this, 5,100, 51 exactly per month in that example. So this is how we generate $5,000 per month with prop firms. If you're interested, just book a call with the link in the description to tailor a specific plan for you. Maybe you want to start with 100K, 200K, directly with 300K. That's something definitely possible. We'll be able to talk together to discuss a specific plan for you. If you're on Upwork, you can message me with the message button on my profile page. Other than that, I will be talking with you on a phone call or on the next video.